Today it looks like I received a few goodies in the mail. Looks like ELLIPAL, makers of hardware wallets for cryptocurrency. We have a Titan Mini cryptocurrency wallet. That's cool. And we also have an ELLIPAL seed phrase steel wallet. That's awesome. And so today I'm going to review the ELLIPAL Titan Mini wallet, unbox it, and give you my good, honest review of it as a cryptocurrency expert. So let's get started. So now let's go ahead and open the ELLIPAL Titan Mini. I will be unboxing it right now. Let's see what we have here. Okay, so now we're unwrapping it and let's see what's inside. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Just open the package. As you can see, there is a screen on it. It's kind of cool. Let's take it out. Feels nice. It's actually sort of heavy. Feels like a good chunk of metal, but something that's secure to hold. Feels like a magnet in some ways. Let's see if there's anything else in the box. Oh, yep. Looks like we've got instructions. We got our seed phrase card. And then it looks like we've got micro USB cable. We have a mini SD card. And then lastly we've got, looks like to be the power. And let's let it charge. As you can see, it's charging. So it's been some time and I think the ELLIPAL wallet has enough juice to get started. So in the top right hand of the wallet is a button, or I guess you can just press it and it turns on. It asks me to select the language. So let's go ahead. I'll select English just to get started. Then it wants me to download the app using my phone. And we'll just let it download. Okay. And now here's the app. So let's go ahead and create an account and then set up our wallet. Now when you create an account, it actually asks whether you want a general address type or segregated witness, SegWit type. Segregated witness is a new blockchain feature that solves scalability problems and actually adds better security and faster confirmation times. So I recommend that you choose SegWit. And when you make an account, it's actually going to give you a seed phrase. So make sure that you store your seed phrase on your card and keep it somewhere safe, like in a safe, so that you have it just in case you lose your wallet and you need to restore your account. Then once you've backed up your account and created it, stored your seed phrase, it's going to ask you to select the coins that you want to make available in your wallet. And so it looks like the default ones are Ethereum, BNB, XRP, ADA, Doge, DOT, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. But I'm going to go ahead and select all of them. Looks like there's plenty of them because I might have some extra coins that I want to store. So I'm going to hit complete. And now, as you can see, within the app for ELLIPAL, I have a wallet and I can see all of the different cryptocurrencies that are available to me that I can store within the wallet itself. And so now I'm going to go ahead and log into my ELLIPAL wallet using the device. I've logged into my ELLIPAL wallet in the hardware device using the same login as the app and imported my wallet. And as you can see, I can now access all of my cryptocurrency wallets that are available to me. And it's as simple as pie, guys. It took me literally 5 minutes to get set up. All I had to do was scan the QR code upon opening the device, and then I just created an account using my app and then logged in on the hardware wallet device. So overall, it's extremely simple to get started. One cool thing that I want to mention about the ELLIPAL is that in the back there's actually a camera, so that if you want to scan QR codes, you can go ahead and do that using the hardware wallet. And so that way it actually links up with the app quite easily. So if you want to send and receive cryptocurrency using the hardware wallet, or even just your phone app, then it's actually really simple, and they're both connected to each other in the cloud, or they're stored offline once you put it into the wallet. And so that way your cryptocurrency is safe and secure. So remember, guys, make sure to keep your seed wallet phrase somewhere secure, so that way you can have it for later, just in case you lose your wallet or you need to restore it for any reason whatsoever. So to recap, guys, I definitely love the wallet itself. It's extremely simple to set up, feels great in your hands. The charging port is really cool. It's just a magnet, and so setting up your actual wallet itself is extremely simple. You just use the app, or you use the crypto wallet itself to set up your password, your account, and your seed phrase. Your seed phrase is what enables you to keep your wallet together in case you lose it. And overall, it just feels like a very well made product. I definitely recommend it for you guys. Go ahead and check out the rest of the review, and the link is in the description. Remember to subscribe, like, comment if you have any questions. Thanks again.